Baller gut, nigga. Lee. Dollars. This shit don't stop, boy. We gon' keep that shit winning, man. I ain't worried about no bitch that's gon' fag off. That's why they tearing cash off when I meet them. My hand out when I see money over bitches, ho, I don't need you. I'm in these streets every day, selling Chris Hard and weed too. Plug on and want me to run it. Real hustlers get fronted, cause they know I'm bringing back the issue fast. Keep it going, make it last, don't sweat it. Anywhere the money at, I'ma get it. It's looking cool out of town, I need a pay a visit. Harvest season got me seeing issues, cause I raised the ticket. Every bitch I fuck paying me to kick it, just so I can out on her. An ex nigga calling her, but she ain't answering, cause I'm the only one that she want. Wanna be on the winning side, invest in a real nigga, stick by his side, be a real bitch and do some real shit. That's kinda hard to find nowadays. Your own niggas change, cause they still stuck in their ways, and I'm just stuck in my lane. On pound rent with some rocks in my socks, and still coming cops, still selling crack 2014. Believe it or not, I ain't leaving the block. Kept me on my feet this long, your mama kept you away from the streets I live on. If you just jumped off the porch, you better know what you doing. Watch my niggas, when it's funk, they get to shooting before I can do it. I can show you how to do it better than I can tell it. You can put anything in my hand and I'ma sell it. I ain't riding with no weenies. If it's gun in my car, we gon' bounce out, squeeze it. Be on the street shit, but I still keep it peasy. Knocking bitches everywhere I go and make it look easy. Make this hustle look good, even though I'm stressed, but know I'm blessed. My daughter don't need shoes or food, and I'm good in my hood. That little nigga ready to bless for me, cause he know that I would. Say no more, bro, you know that I would. Say no more.